Hey guys, it's Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch my video. I'm so excited for the tutorial that I have planned for you guys today. It is the soft glam, but yet kind of dramatic, you know, that I've been wearing for the last couple of weeks off camera, and I've really loved it. If you're new here and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's just dive right in. So I already have my Kors moisturizer on and my Keenan Austin mattifying primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrushed Flawless Foundation. Mine is in the shade 4 Neutral, and I'm using my new color changing beauty blender to blend it out. This ear is really red because I've been having to re-pierce this piercing like every single time I wear an earring. I don't know why. I've had my ears pierced since like kindergarten and now they're acting up, so that's just great. My hair looks crazy, but it's good. We're fine. We're just gonna act like it doesn't look crazy. I don't know what it is, you guys, but I've tried the Charlotte Tilbury foundation with other sponges. Nothing makes it look more flawless than the original beauty blender. So that's kind of cool. I mean, you know, like, might as well get my money's worth of this. The only downside of having dark hair is the foundation in my roots. I cannot stand it. Like, that is not a good look. Of course, before showering, I knew I was filming today, but I still went ahead and popped a bunch of blackheads on my nose, so it's nice and red. But this foundation covers up redness so beautifully. Like, what redness? For concealer, I've been trying out the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. Mine is in the shade Marshmallow. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came. I've really been loving this concealer. This shade is perfect. I love that it feels so lightweight even though it's pretty full coverage. For powder, this will be the second time I'm trying out the Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil. So I'm not baking with this powder. I'm just using my bowling brushes F13 brush and I'm applying this evenly all over my face. I do not think that this is a powder that you would want to bake with just because of how mattifying it seemed just on the first impression. Like, you might get a little too dry. And like, I have oily skin, but you just don't want to look too dry or lifeless, you know? I feel like all of a sudden you can see my pimples over here that were perfectly covered before. That's weird. For contour, I'll be using my Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Palette. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Then to contour the rest of my face, I'm using my bling brushes F15. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. For bronzer, I'm using my NARS Laguna. I found this at TJ Maxx for like 50% off, so I was like, I gotta do it. I haven't used this bronzer since like my sophomore year of high school. I'll tell you what though, I would never pay full price for this bronzer ever again. So thank you for TJ Maxx for having me realize that. Like, it's really not that special, but it is really nice when I just want a subtle bronze and nothing too crazy. I literally still cannot stop using the Tarte Party blush, so that is what I'm going in with. And this is on my F14. So I am saving highlighter for last because you guys, the Jaclyn Hill highlighters, why did I just do that? Anyways, best for last. I'm gonna do my brows now with the Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil, and mine is in the shade medium brown. What is going on? Okay guys, for some reason my eyebrows are not going so swell today. So I'm just gonna do this off camera really quick. If you do wanna know how I do my eyebrows, I show it in my previous tutorials, but we're just gonna skip this step for this tutorial, all right? Okay guys, even though the brows were acting up, I managed to accomplish them, whatever. But now I just wanna set this all, and I'm gonna use my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, Setting Mist, all right. The Bare Minerals Mineral Veil is not good with this foundation. It dried up my foundation underneath, which is like fine if it wasn't emphasizing my acne. Like, it literally looks like I have bug bites. I don't know. Hopefully the camera isn't even picking it up. Whatever. Okay. So moving on to eyes, I am starting with the one and only Natasha Denona Biba palette. I bought this during the Black Friday sale. I love this so much. This was 30% off on her website and I had to do it. So that's that. I just think it was so worth it, but that's just my opinion. But no, these eyeshadows are so beautiful. They blend out beautifully and I love it. To start off, I'm taking the shade Husk right here. Tusk. That shade is called Tusk. And I'm gonna pat this all over my lids with my bling brushes F17. So now I'm taking the shade Freckle right there. And I'm going to be blending this into my crease with my E11. Also just buffing this underneath my eye for now. So now I'm going in with the shade that I have been so obsessed with, and that is Sculpture, this matte gray. Oh my gosh, I don't know what it is, but I just think that this is such a unique and beautiful shade. I love, love, love it. Take my E12, and I'm just going to be blending this right underneath the crease. So I'm just blending this on the outer part of my eye, just with what's left over on the brush. So I'm just taking the shade Freckle in my E16 brush, and I am going to buff more of this underneath both my eyes. Now I'll be patting the Hourglass Reflect Scattered Light Glitter eyeshadow all over my lids. So both the Biba palette and the Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter eyeshadows were inspired by my fave, Nicole Renee Cutler. She is one of my absolute favorite YouTubers. I adore her. All right, so it's just very like natural, elegant, soft glam. I really love it. So also off camera, I'm just going to do some quick eyeliner, not a wing, just like a thin little line on the top, and then pop some black in my waterline. The top eyeliner, I'm using my Sephora Brush Tip Liquid Liner, and the waterline, my ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in black. So the eyeliner is good to go. Now I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Alright you guys, well I need to let this dry before I smudge it off with a Q-tip, so let's just pretend like it's not there, and I'm gonna apply my fake eyelashes. You guys know how much I have been loving, loving the Lily lashes in Miami. I don't know what it is, but I swear something changed about these. I think it's because I purchased the Sephora, like Lily Lashes for Sephora brand. That was like a thing before they sold all of them at Sephora, and they looked different than these. These are just gorgeous. I love them. So of course, using my Lily Lashes lash glue. Here's Pumpkin again. Oh no, she's like, don't embarrass me like that. Aww. She's kneading my poncho. She's like, we'll snuggle while the lash glue is drying. Oh my gosh, she just keeps kneading it. It is so cute. All right, so it looks like it's nice and tacky. So I'm just looking down into my mirror. I'm holding the lash in the middle of the lash. So you guys, I just kind of like clamp the lash in with my tweezer. Make sure it's especially secure on the edges of my eye. Okay, the eyes are done. Now I want to move on to highlight, and then we will take care of these lips and we'll be done. So the Jaclyn Hill highlighters. You guys know that I raved about these in my favorites video. If you didn't see it, I will link it down in the description box below. I'm first starting off with her Flash palette. So beautiful. And I'm gonna be taking Gleamed today. And this is on her J02 brush. Like, you guys, are you ready for this? Here we go. Oh, wow. I'm using her J03, the shade Gleam again, and I'm just like dropping that in there basically. I'm just going to use this for my nose highlight. I'm also putting the shade underneath my eyebrows and in the inner corners of my eyes. So now to be really extra and intense, I'm taking her loose highlighter in the shade High Volt and with her J03. And what I do with this is I just turn upside down, do a little tap, and then what's in the cap, I take that on the brush. Is that not the most beautiful highlight you've ever seen in the world? I mean, oh my goodness. I'm so excited to see what she launches in 2020. Hello. Hi. I love you so much. I mean, this makes you beam into the high heavens. Wow. Now that I have the highlighter applied, I am going to spray more of my Morphe setting spray. Now it's time for lips. I'm starting with the Patrick Ta lip liner in She's Proud. Then I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Angel Cake lipstick. Okay, then to finish it off, I'm going to be using my Wet Cherry Lime Crime White Cherry lip gloss. Alright, you guys, so this completes the look. I hope that you guys love how it turned out. I've just been loving this look as just like a simple wintry glam type of look, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!